This pink lip balm is going to lighten up your lips in less than a week. If you're suffering for dark lips, dry lips, this lip balm is definitely for you. Make sure you watch this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell below. Anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. And also I'll be dropping on how to make your lip scrub, which you're seeing on your screen right now. Here is my lip scrub and here is my lip balm, which I'm going to be dropping very. Here is my base cream. You can actually use any base cream of your choice, any lightning base cream of your choice. So I'll be making little today. I will not be making much. This method is promising, and I'll be dropping a video soon on how to make your organic lip balm. This one is for those who are suffering for dark lips and dry lips and you want a fast result. This lip balm is going to give you beautiful result in less than a week, and also combined with lip scrub, which I'm going to be dropping that video soon, how to make your own pink lip scrub. I'll just go in with my Vaseline. And also I'll be going in with my coconut oil. You can actually use any oil of your choice. You can use almond oil, you can use olive oil, but I'll be making use of coconut oil today. Now I'll be adding a little bit of my color, just a little. You don't need much. Little will go a long way. You mix it very well, mix it properly for you to get that beautiful nice result and beautiful color as well. This lip balm is very effective. It's very effective, and it works like magic. And if you try it work for you, please come back and drop me a comment, like, share, turn off the notification bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Stay tuned for my next video.